Have you ever created a chart in Excel and felt that doesn't really explains the data? If yes, you are not alone, guys. I'm going to show you how to turn Excel data into real insight using advanced charts that professionals actually use. Welcome back to SphereSkill Technology, empowering tomorrow's learning. This is me, Jay Ganesan, your trainer here from SphereSkill Technology. In our previous session, we have learned Excel using pivot table and basic chart, where we have covered pivot tables like line, pie, bar, column and area chart, right? This session is foundation for today's class. If you have ever missed it, don't worry, click the card displayed on the top of the video right now to watch the previous session before or after this session. Well, today we are moving on one level up, advanced Excel chart. In this session, we will work practically with combo chart like revenue versus profit as a use case and Sparklines, performance trend in a single cell analysis, waterfall chart like a salesperson versus unit sold, histograms like a data distribution and a frequency, Pareto chart finding the 20% problem causing 80% issue. These are the exact chart used in dashboard management report and data analysis roles, right? So subscribe and like before we continue. So if you have any questions, you can leave me a message or leave me a comment. I will be glad to answer you across. Okay. On so you don't miss our upcoming practical session. Also share this video with your friends and colleagues because one Excel trick can save hours of work, right? Now here is the important part. This is not just theory. In the next few minutes, we will open Excel, use real business data, build each advanced chart step by step, right? And understand why and when to use each one. So keep Excel open, stay with me till end because this practical session can change how you present data forever, right? All right, let's stop using basic charts and start building charts that tell stories.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
So let us see it practical. So in this module 6 section 2, which we are going to see about advanced chart. Okay, so in this we are going to see what is a combo chart which will combine and give you two projections or more. Then what is sparkling, what is waterfall, and what is histogram and Pareto. This is what we are going to see in this section. So I will show you one by one. I have made out some workbooks which is ready. So let us see what it is. Okay. So combo chart is combination of two different type of chart in one visual. It used to provide you two different inputs in one visual. That is what a combo chart is. It used to when you want to compare value with the different scales like profit versus revenue, and you can also have one more use cases like revenue versus target. So these two use cases which we will see how we can able to achieve it. So first revenue versus profit, we will use the same data what we have seen yesterday. So we will create a pivot chart first for the month and revenue and profit. Okay, so we will select this table and insert pivot table here. So what we are going to choose month and revenue versus profit, right? So this is our input data which we are going to give the combo chart, where we can able to go and insert the combo chart. Insert, we have a chart here, insert combo chart. Okay, so you can able to find the chart here. There are various styles which you can able to apply. So whatever is comfortable, you can use that. So what we have got one in the month span, what is the revenue is generated and what is the profit is been made for each and every month, right? So that is how we have achieved what is the multiple combination bringing into a one single representation of a chart. This will be a very helpful information where you can project it to your management to get what is the actual number of profit has been made and what is the revenue is been made against each and every month, right? So we will see multiple use cases. So next use case we will see revenue versus target. Okay, so we will see how we can able to get the revenue versus target. Insert pivot table, month, revenue, and target. These are the three things which we are selecting it at the similar fashion. We can select this insert and we can go to the combo chart. Okay, we have a different type of combo chart. We can use whichever the way we like. Okay, so in this chart we are displaying what is the revenue and what is the target is been achieved. Okay, so the target is set in the bar actually, and the revenue what is been made will be in the area, right? So the sum of the revenue will be in the area what is been covered, and the bar is covering the target. In the y-axis, in the x-axis, what is the month which is been there? In the y-axis, what is the revenue which has been made? So accordingly we have got the combo chart, right? So this is how we can able to make use of the combo. So next, what is a sparkling? Sparkling is a data trend between the line. You can able to get what is the trend analysis of that particular period or of that particular record or a data, right? So how we can able to identify? I have prepared a chart here, a pivot table which shows what is the user sales level or how much it is been achieved in month on month wise, right? So what is the grand total is there. So I want to identify what is the trend analysis for this. So I will choose what is the trend analysis up to the 4 month of period. So we can go to insert. The sparkling is available here. We have multiple options, either line or column, okay, or win or loss. Okay, so now I have selected what is the range here. Now I have to select where I have to mark the trend. Equivalently, I have to mark it. See, the trend is going upward. Okay, you can able to see, and similarly, for each and every trend, you will get what is the trend analysis marked by the sparkling. So you want to change the trend here, you can change it out. So you get the bar wise trend analysis for each and every record what has been sold by salesperson, right? So this is a trend analysis which you can able to use by sparkling. Next, waterfall. So what is a waterfall? It is a initial value which shows you whether the uh, trend is positive or negative by providing you a pictographical information, right? So that is a waterfall. So we will see how we can able to achieve a waterfall here. So I have chosen the table. We have an insert option here. In the insert chart, okay, so we can find the waterfall. So in this, waterfall has been there. So we have added a waterfall for salesperson wise. What is the unit sold? Okay. So Ravi has sold 120, Nitya has sold 220. So on the trend of the positive analysis, what is each and every users have achieved and what is their total unit numbers has been sold across. So that is how the waterfall has been put across. Whether it is been in the positive or the increase or decrease, that is how it is been going to present it out here, right? So we have multiple styles. We can use any of the styles which we like and then put across in our dashboard. So which will provide you a complete trend analysis for the positive or the negative analysis, which will be able to project it to the management, right? So next one we are going to see about histogram. Histogram groups numerical data range bins into a frequency, right? So we will get what is the frequency where it is been distributed and how it is been achieved. Okay, so it will provide you a analysis how we can able to get the frequency from the data. So how to get that? So we can able to get what is the unit sold versus the revenue or revenue versus the cost. We can select it and then insert. We have a histogram here, right? So in this you can able to increase the number of bins by selecting the bin width or number of bins. So you get more bins, and then the x-axis and y-axis columns. What is the height and scale width? You can able to adjust it, and you can change into multiple trends also for a better view and a better understanding. So it will provide you a frequency of the data where you can able to get what is the analysis, and you can provide a chart information for it. So this is a analysis which we can able to project it based on the frequency of the selected data value. So that is your histogram. Okay. Next, we are going to see what is Pareto. Pareto is like a 80/20 rule analysis. What is the problem statement and what is the cause of that? To identify that, we can able to have a Pareto. So Pareto gives you a separate Pareto line where the frequency and then the cumulative can be shown here. Okay. So we will see how the Pareto works. I prepared one sample data for this. So based on this, we can able to prepare a Pareto. Okay. So here we will get the Pareto. Yeah. So this will be the Pareto chart. So use this chart to show the relative portion of each factor up to the total. So the Pareto line is this trending line. So this will say you what is the Pareto measures for each and every sections and issues what has been put across. This has also multiple projections, whichever you feel like comfortable. We can able to select that trend analysis and then put across. So that is how the dashboard can be built. So we are in our next session, we will completely build a dashboard, customized and a dynamic dashboard where the value changes. We will bring the dashboard also changed across. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this was informative. And today we have seen what is the advanced chart with combo and sparkling and waterfalls. And also we have seen what is Pareto. Okay, so this will help us to prepare our dashboard, which we are going to in our see in our upcoming session. So tomorrow we will see what is our dynamic charts using a table and named range. We will prepare the dynamic charts and followed by the dashboard, right? So please stay tuned and do subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel, and to follow us and click on the bell icon so that each and every video which I post you will be reached to you as a notification, right? Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon in our next video. Until then, this is Jai Ganeshan signing off for today.